Hi everyone. So in the previous video we understand what is the software engineering and difference between software and engineering. So in this video we will understand the basics of the software and the fundamental of the software. Okay, that was the class 0. This is the class 1. So first of all, what are the attributes of the software? The software has some attributes like development, testing, designing. These are the some attributes which is required in the software. Okay, you understand? Remember, these are the attributes. So now let's think, what is software? Software is an containing of the things of development, integration, testing. Integration means we are adding something, right? Okay, development, testing, deployment and maintenance, these are all the common things in the software. The software is also having two types, system software and application software. The application software which will work on the operating system which needed user, and the system software which is required for the particular operating system to communicate with the hardware. So this type of software are there. So for creating any type of software we require this particular flow: testing, development, and first we will getting designing, development, and means coding and those field. So now let's go for the real concept of our software engineering. This is the first way we are jumping to the real world. If you learn this, you come in the examination also. So now let's study the fundamentals of the software engineering. So first fundamental of the software engineering is uh, software development. Just a minute. Yeah, so I was telling about the fundamental of the software engineering. The first fundamental is software development. The software development means for the particular software creating what those requirement is required. Example, we need some of the uh, photos, images, documents, information. What are the requirement and what we are doing? This is the first thing. Software. Yeah, yes, come on. Yeah, software requirement done. Yeah, now let's go for the second one. The software, after completing your software requirement means, after if you take something information about that, what you will do? Yes, development. Second is software development. In the software development, as you know, as a computer science student, you can say by using the software development thing in the second fundamental says that we will create the particular software by using coding. It could be any language, HTML, CSS, JavaScript. It could be Python. It could be any language. We will select which programming we will do, and what the for the front end and what for the back end, and what will be the pipeline of the CI/CD. So this depends on you how the software is creating powerfully. This was the second thing. The third one is software validation. So as you know, after creating the particular operating means particular application, you should test it. Without testing, you cannot give for the customer or something. So in the software validation, we will we will do the testing of the particular software with a minimal peoples, and then we will send it. The last one, fourth one, is software evaluation. So in the software evaluation, what we will do, we will publish the particular software or application or a website in the deployment of the uh, Google Cloud or Amazon AWS or some Google platforms, or it should be visible for everyone. That is called a deployment. And we will as well as do the maintenance. Why we require the maintenance? Because the user has some new requirement. In this particular software, I want to add something new feature, so we will do the maintenance. So this was the last one of the fundamentals of the software. So software evaluation. So totally we have 4 point: software software requirement, software development, software validation, and software evaluation. The 4 points are completed. Simple and easy. Now let's talk about only difference between software engineering and computer science. So this is a very common question which is asked maybe asked in your examination, but it is very common, as you know. So what is the difference between software engineering and computer science? So let's talk about computer science. So computer science, which is focus on theoretical part, practical, as well as just particular book information according to that the students will be studying. In the particular, in the engineering field, software engineering, they will do the practical enhancement with the development. Remember, with the development, the software engineering students will always, not I'm talking about software engineering students, I'm telling about software engineer, where they will do the things development with the practical deployment and everything coding in practical way. The computer science students, means computer science things, will be done only with theoretical part. Practically, just particular code will be taken. That's all. So this was the difference between the software engineering and computer science. So this was the things. So yeah, without editing, I'm just uploading this video. This is only for their reference. From next video, if it is required for any editing, I will do it. So thank you so much. Let's see for you and me at next time.